Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal Dollar training and coaching program, and we ask Allah to bless our efforts. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to your prospect. If you want to send the email, you can use your Gmail and you can use your Outlook. In the past, I told you how to use YAM. That's yet another mail merge, this software. Also, some of the people also use Gmail. These softwares, there's nothing bad in using them if you are sending a lot of emails. But since we are just sending 100, I believe we can use this Gmail or Outlook and send it manually. So you should send the maximum of 30 with your Gmail and maximum of 30 with your Outlook too. Let's assume you are sending 25 with one Gmail, so you should get like 4 Gmails to send your 100 emails. And also, if you are using Outlook to maximum of 30 or let's say 25, you should get 4 Outlook accounts to send all the 100. So this is it. As for this mail merge and Gmail, it's not compulsory you use them. There's another software that is taking over the industry right now, and that is instantly.ai, and this is what I currently use. So but it is expensive. As you can see, it is $37 per month if you are having just 1,000 leads, but if you are having up to 25,000 leads, it is $97 per month. This is what I use now, but if you don't have money to use this, don't worry, you can still use this and it is very effective. So that's that. So if you want to send your email, just come to your Gmail, click on compose. Under this tool, you copy the email address of your prospect. Let's assume you are copying this particular one. Copy. So we paste it here. So for the subject, if you are using the Loom, let's assume we are doing this particular one, this Denta. The Loom, you can see the subject here. It's going to be the company name dash Loom. So we are going to copy the company name. We are going to copy the company name. We paste it. Now say dash Loom. So now we copy the pitch itself, the message, and this is it here. Copy and we paste it here. So you can see that the first name, I'm going to replace it with the first name of this prospect, which is Brad, as I can see it here. So, and the Loom link, I'm going to copy the Loom link, which is this. But there's something that is very important. You can just copy the Loom link here and paste it like this. And paste it like this. This is one way of doing it. That's not even the best, because when you do this, it's not bringing the thumbnail. It's not bringing the thumbnail. So the best way you can do to be sure that you don't bring the thumbnail, you can send this. There's nothing bad in sending it like this. But if you do something like this, you copy it, you copy the link, you take it to where you log into your Loom. So it's going to take me directly to the Loom. So when it takes you to this place, you know the other time we copied the link, but now we are not going to click on this copy link. We are going to click on this share. When we click on share, we go to embed. So we are going to say copy GIF thumbnail. Click on this. So when that is copied, you now go to this place. Instead of pasting this link here, you are going to paste. Don't click on this paste as plain text, just click on paste. So we are going to paste it like this. So it's going to be like this. So from the email, the person is going to be seeing his own website or our website. It's going to like, okay, this person is talking about my website. What happened? So the person is going to click on this thumbnail, this video, this GIF thumbnail or the link, or click on this title, and it's going to take the person to the website. So this is how we are going to have it. So when you have it like this, you just click on what? Send. And the message will be sent to the person. That is when you are sending GIF. The same thing to Outlook. Just click on new email here. The email address of the person, the subject, then the email. You do everything the same way and you send. So that's how you're going to be sending it. You can be sending 25 for each email. When you have 4 emails, you'll be sending 100 per day. So that is it. So if you want to send the one that is not Loom to the non-Loom, it's the same thing. This is going to be the subject and the email itself. Everything, just send it the way I've shown you. It's very simple. So this is how you're going to be sending your emails. Make sure you are using the Gmail or you are using Outlook. So as for the YAM or Gmail, you don't have to use all those ones. So it is good if you are sending a lot of emails and you don't have money, you don't have budget to use instantly. But if you have the money to use instantly, is the best. But the way I always advise, that I don't usually advise people to take the money they earn from another place to buy online tools, except if you started making money online. Then you should invest part of the money to buy tools. But for some of you that you have not started making money online, don't use your money that you earn from another place to buy online tools. Rather, you should use your time to work online until you make money, then you can use the money to buy online tools. We ask Almighty Allah to assist us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.